Okay, good day everyone. I just want to quickly talk about the my trade yesterday. The trade I was holding since last week Tuesday from here. I closed at around here. This liquidity level here. I closed around here. Though my main target is this high. But yeah, I said if I get a re-entry, I will enter, and I've gotten one which I am in right now. But let me talk about the Euro USD trade that I took yesterday. Just something quick. I took a real USD sell, like more of like a scalp around the in between here right now. Let me go down to the lower time frame to show how I got the entry. I don't have like a what is the name of this thing? So give me a sec. I don't have a bar replay, so I cannot take the price back. I'll just use from what I'm saying to explain the trade. The sell was from here, I guess, to this liquidity zone right here. I'll probably post, I will add my MT5. I know I may lose so then catch me. Um, okay, so first of all, last weekend I market closed here last week. Wait, give me a sec. I'll check my network. Mm, okay, my market closed around here last week, which, like I said, I've always had this place as my internal range liquidity, which market took out. Yeah, and then market came here. Market bought from this, it's sort of like a mitigation block, I guess. Take to the higher time frame. Mhm. Okay, market bought from somewhere here. Though I had a buy limit set here. I had a buy limit set here around this block right here. I was expecting price to take out this double equal lows here and tag me or whatever, but it didn't happen. So yeah. So back to the sales. Market bought from here, from this mitigation block or whatever block it is, and bought. Then I noticed something. I had a bias on Euro USD till I get to this zone to see how it reacts up from here. So as market reacted from here and bought, it failed to take out this high, which signified any low that could not create a new high or any high that cannot create a new low will be considered weak. So after market bought from here and failed to take out this high, I didn't just enter for the sell immediately. I didn't enter for the sell immediately. I waited to see something extra. Then market could just easily react from this block right here, and I mean it's the block that failed this internal, that broke this internal high, this internal supply here. Market could easily react from here and you know buy, but I saw something again. Market got here, failed to still take out this high, which means supply was being respected. So you can mark this supply was respected, and this one too was respected. And since I had in mind that this low will be liquidity because you didn't take out, you failed to create a new high. I had this as my target if I'm to get any sell opportunity. So I usually mark this as my drawn liquidity. Then I went to the lower time frame. After let me go to 5 minutes. Okay. So right now I've gotten um my liquidity zone where I expect price to get to and why I expect price to get there. It's really like me building a story around price movement. So I saw this rejection and it broke this low. So what I did was I marked out this zone as my a zone that I will expect price to come back and retest before selling. Not like a mitigation block though again, you feel. So when price I still waited when price gave the first rejection, sold, second sold, this third one and it still sold, took out this liquidity here. A lower time frame is more like on the 1 minute time frame, I guess it's a body also. What I just did was place my buy from I placed my buy my sell from this week right here because it took off liquidity off this candle, this internal hand here. This is like much lower time frame though. So I had a sell from here and I covered this initial zone that I had marked out. This zone right here because the market can still want to go up a little. So it's still something like this because I had to cover this main zone. Then my target was this low right here. So the 1:4 R 1:4 point something. Yeah, this is it. So price immediately I placed my sell limit and all, I just placed an alert at my SL zone. So in case I get an alert, I know say I don't chop SL. So yeah, you can see price came, took out this last liquidity. And honestly, I still thought price would sell, but I now had to refrain from that idea because price literally is not attracted to my POI but liquidity. If you I still had my limits down here, somewhere down here. So I was thinking price will react from here and sell again. So as price got here and failed to take this low, I knew this high would be liquidity, but I could not get any buy. I literally went to sleep. This was happening like in the night. This is like 11 to 1 and all. So I just went to bed. If I just went to sleep. And if I'm to get an entry, I will still buy a little. Yeah, I'll still buy a little. Let me delete this. Let me check if there's any. So if price gives me a reason to buy liquidity, yeah, I can buy from this block here. This is like a breaker block because I mean it sponsored multiple sales. If you get this rejection, get a second rejection. So judging that price gives me liquidity, I'll buy from here. So this will be like my what I expect or my anticipation rather. And I'll just buy to take out this high because like I said, there's still a good reason for market to sell from here. But once this zone fails, then I have extra confirmations for the buy. You understand? Because this can literally just serve as a pullback. This can serve as a pullback. This buy here can serve as a pullback for sales continuation. If you telling that we are already in the discount of this sell leg. So yeah, this will be what I'm waiting for EURUSD. And on gold, I don't know gold. Should gold never take me out. Gold don't come back my entry. Oh, shit, god damn it. Um, let's see. Okay, my entry on gold is quite simple, I would say, due to the fact that I know that gold is bullish. Gold is buying overall to take out this internal ring liquidity right here. And after I took my profit here, I just waited to see how price reacts. You feel? So yeah, that's basically it. That's how I got my entry on gold is simple. This low right here broke, took liquidity of this candle and broke structure, giving this liquidity here. This is like This is, let me put it on the line chart. I see this is a one, two bump on the road and the second move push to the upside. So yeah, so this is literally my entry on gold. I'm targeting here because I mean price can still, this is like a flip zone. That's how I put it, like a flip zone here. Price can still want to react off here and sell, which won't be my business if price gets there because I will be literally out. So yeah, this is, though I still know that price is bullish though on gold. You understand? I just have to consider both parties and all. So yeah, this is, yeah, everything. Catch you next time.